everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to have you all here. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari, and today's video is going to be about Poshmark and Mercari and why keywords are so important to help get your items on both of these platforms recognized and be able to increase your sales. But before we jump into today's video, I have to give a shout out, like I always do now in every single one of my videos, of one person that has subscribed to my YouTube channel, has commented their Poshmark closet down below, and that today is Lenner. Thank you so much, and I will have her Poshmark closet pulled up here. And her Poshmark closet is Nifty Shopper, and her closet is super cute. So definitely go over, follow her on Poshmark, and give her closet a few shares. And thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel and supporting me here on YouTube and Poshmark. To be featured in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment your Poshmark closet name down below, and you could be featured in my next video. All right, guys, let's get right into the video. First, I'm going to start with why keywords are so important, because a lot of people just simply put in the brand name, take the pictures of the items, and might say like never worn before, only worn one time, and then that's it. They just list the item. Typically, that's people that are really new to the platform and they don't really know how the algorithm really works. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why the algorithm actually picks up these keywords and how it can really get your items to have more views, and then that means more sales. So the first reason why this is so important is because when you actually put a keyword in your description box of the listing, whether that's on Mercari or that's on Poshmark, when someone goes onto Google, so they're not going on Poshmark, they're not going on Mercari, they might not even have heard of either of these platforms. If they are simply Google searching for Tory Burch flats, I always use this example, but Tory Burch flats, and they type that into Google, actually items from Poshmark and items from Mercari are going to show up on the Google homepage. And that is simply because you have put keywords in your description, and the SEO, the search engine optimization picks up those keywords. That's how it works. That's how the algorithm of Google, that's how the algorithm of YouTube, that's how the algorithm of Poshmark and Mercari, it picks up those keywords. If you are searching for festival or concert, country concert style clothing, you might even get items pulled up from Poshmark or Mercari. You might get cowboy boots or cowgirl boots pulled up. You might get shorts. You might get jeans pulled up. You might get belts pulled up. It's because of those keywords, that's what Google brings up onto the home page. So we are going to hop into an example right now so I can show you why it is so important to include these keywords into your description box, because Google will actually help you. They will help your item get more views because it takes those keywords that you have in your description and it will pull it up onto the home page. All right, guys, so let's hop into the first example. I'm super into fitness. If you guys follow me for a while, you know that I am. So I like this brand called Balance Athletica. It's a girl, Taylor Chamberlain, who I've been following on YouTube for a really long time, into fitness, and she started her own clothing line. But her leggings are so expensive. It's like $80 for a pair of leggings, which is crazy. But if I actually just I'll Google right now, Balance Athletica leggings, hit enter, I'm actually going to see Poshmark and Mercari come up with a pair of these leggings that someone is selling on their closet. And they have made the home page of Google, which is just crazy. So if I scroll over here, I'm going to see Poshmark. They're selling it for $70, which is crazy because the retail price is $80. And then I have used here $65 Mercari. So if I click onto Poshmark, I am going to see those leggings come up. Now, here she has the quartz collection. So that is a keyword because this clothing line that Taylor sells, it has different collection names. Waves is the newest one for summer. This one is the Quartz collection, seamless leggings. So she included the brand and also the style of the collection, the name of the collection in there as well. And then seamless leggings. Okay, so now if I go back, I want to check out the Mercari one. I'm curious what she has in the description. So I clicked on the Mercari one. These are super cute too. So Balance Athletica, and this one is called the Ascend Moss legging. So that is the style name for this pair of leggings. So that is really important to include, is if you have like a Free People shirt or whatever, Lululemon, whatever the brand is, if there is a style name, always include the style name, because a lot of people specifically look for style names. So that's one really quick example. And like you can scroll down and like here's so many more. Okay, this is a perfect example. Here's another one on Mercari. Here's another one on Poshmark. Here's another one on Poshmark, Mercari. So like literally someone who's not paying to be on Google's homepage, because they are using keywords like the brand name, the collection name of the item, that is helping them get more views and helping them come to the search page of Google. So here, let's click on this one for Poshmark. Visit site. So we have here the OG Lagoon. That's another name of this pair of leggings. The OG Lagoon legging size medium. Brand new from Balance Athletica's Waves collection, the one I just mentioned. Sold out, still in bag. Size medium, fits more like a small. And then also something else that helps is like these people are talking and using these keywords in the comment section below her item. So that also helps because the keywords are being picked up by Google. So that really helps as well. So if we go back, let's see if we can go to and see she has the same, or this might be someone else, but has it on Mercari as well. Let's check out this one on Mercari for $80. It's crazy how expensive these leggings are. I just don't get it. I mean, I know they're really nice, but I just could not pay that much money for leggings. Okay, so this one says brand new in the original packaging, Balance Athletica OG pant from the Aura 2.0 launch. So it's giving those keywords that are really picking up the brand, the launch that it came from, and then like more of a description. And this, we'll just do this one as the last one. So let's see. In the color Sierra, that's something else that people would look up. Gently warm, super high-waisted is another keyword. Very flattering on your bum. 7/8 length, and soft material, skin tight. And then in the title's a big part of keywords as well. Balance Athletica Ascend pant leggings. So definitely something to look for when you are doing a description. You want to include as many keywords as possible. Something else that I like to touch on when I'm talking about keywords is where you can wear the item to. So if it's something that you can wear to a festival like Coachella, where I'm from in Delaware, we have Firefly Music Festival. So which I'm sure if you guys are in the East region, you know that that's a really popular music festival. So, you know, a lot of people look for festival wear to wear to Firefly Music Festival or Coachella or country concerts and stuff, and they're searching those keywords. I know when I got my new job, I was searching for office attire, work office clothing. Like I literally just was typing that in, and because those people had that keyword in their description box of their listing, those items came up on both Mercari and Poshmark. It works on both platforms because that's how the algorithms work. It's all based off of keywords for their search engine. That's how items come up, is based off of keywords. So definitely don't cheap out when it comes to writing your descriptions. Include as many keywords as possible. Take the time to just include maybe 1 or 2 descriptive words like work attire or gym clothing, something like that. So I hope this video was helpful for you all. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Like I said in the beginning of my video, I will be doing Poshmark Closet shout outs on every single one of my videos. So leave your Poshmark Closet name down below so I could possibly give you a big shout out in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It really, really, really supports me and my channel to grow. I appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.